Hello, this is Neil from masterpaintingnow.com, where I have a really popular, over 80,000 students now active for my anatomy course, but I'm going to show you why 3D models aren't accurate yet. And so this one here, you can see, I don't know, I think this might be DAZ Studio, I'm not really sure, it doesn't really matter. None of them out there are accurate. And you can see here how the muscle, the bicep's drawn. This right here is totally, let me make another layer so you can see this. This right here is totally incorrect. That is not the shape of the bicep, and that's not where the bicep goes, right? So by just taking my anatomy course and learning anatomy, you could use this for reference and you can correct it because you'll understand where the muscles, should actually attach. So the bicep actually is going to go here and it's going to attach underneath right there because it goes underneath your deltoid and pec muscle area, mostly underneath the pec or the deltoid, and it connects to the inside of your scapula. Then you have the deltoid here, and it's just going to kind of come out a little bit like this, and then it's going to kind of curve in. Actually, it's going to come out more up here, like right here, because it's part of the deltoid, and then it's going to kind of curve. It's going to kind of go like that, then it's going to kind of curve in just a little bit before we come out here. And all this right here is going to flatten out. It's not going to be bulky like that, and I'll show you proof of concept in just a second. Then you're going to have the coracobrachialis here, boom, like that, and then you'll have the brachialis there. You'll have the triceps, which comes like this, like that, right? So this right here is going to be the tricep, like so. And then you'll have the, let's do the rib cage like this. Let's kind of change this. It's not quite accurate. It's not going to be that big and down that far. More like that. So first off, you're going to have your latissimus dorsi here, and it kind of tucks underneath the coracobrachialis, and it also tucks underneath the bicep here, and then going pretty much right into the bicep. And actually, this isn't going to be like that. Hold on, let's change that just a little bit. It's more like this is your, and then right here you're going to have the teres major, and it tucks underneath the coracobrachialis as well, but it kind of flattens out part of the deltoid here. And then you might be able to see a little bit of the deltoid because the deltoid goes all the way around the back here like that. So you might be able to see a little, this right here, that'd be a little bit of the deltoid if you do see it at all. But from this angle, you might not see it. Anyway, so that's the proper shapes that you're going to see here. So let's go to proof of concept. So you can see here in the proof of concept, we have the bicep here, boom, being stretched, tucking underneath where the two heads of the bicep connect to the inside of the scapula. Notice that you can see it's flattened out here. The muscle gets flattened out there. It's not big and bulky because it's all being stretched. So you have this part here kind of curves in like that, and see how it's all kind of flattened out right here. Right? It's not bulky, it's flat. And then you have your rib cage here. Right? And you can see there's kind of a division here from one of the bands of the latissimus dorsi, but it comes latissimus dorsi. Comes right here. Look, it connects right to, goes underneath because it actually is connecting to the inside of your humerus bone. That's your arm bone here. Then you have the teres major, and you might be able to see a little, see that right there? Little sliver of the deltoid. And you have the tricep coming off like this. Right, so that's the proper anatomy, and you're not seeing that in the 3D model. So if you look at the 3D model again, you can see this is not accurate. All this area is incorrect. But if you understand a little bit of anatomy by taking my course, then you could, you can look at references like this and correct them and draw them correctly. So, all right, like I said, it'll be a short video. Thanks, thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, or just leave a comment to help the algorithm and get more views so more people can be helped. All right, till next time.